What up, guys? Here we go. We're going to do a quick goals and dreams lesson. So you have to always have a big picture dream and then break it down into goals. So this is how I actually would define the dream, and we can paint the whole thing. We can start from scratch. We can do it ourselves together. Your dream starts from the top. What's the big picture? This is the long-term goal, right? Long-term goal. So your dream is the encompassing of the entire vision you have, right? It's a vision. And then once you start the vision, you have to break each part of it down to smaller chunks of goal. Here's goal 1 of the dream. It'll take you, let's say, 5 to 10 years. And after you do goal 1, you have a goal 2, and goal 3. And guess what? You're gonna have goal 4. But each one of these goals breaks down into sub-goals. So you have to organize your thoughts. Because once you organize your thoughts, you're gonna get more done. And the goal is to build small steps to get to big steps. That's very important lesson here. One step in front of the other to get to your big steps. But remember, you can't take big steps before you take the small steps. Otherwise, you're gonna slip and fall.